Good morning from South Africa, from Johannesburg and from the offices of QGC. We've just got back after completing the dual listing of Marula Mining PLC on the A2X markets. Fantastic start to the day here. The listing is very critical for our strategy here in South Africa, so I just want to do a quick interview just to explain what the reasoning and the driving force behind that was. South Africa is a first world mining jurisdiction with some incredible battery metals, critical metals opportunities, not just at Blesberg, around Blesberg and elsewhere in South Africa. So being listed here on the A2S markets really does give us that opportunity to push ahead with corporate activity and expand our footprint here in South Africa. Like I say, a jurisdiction, a first world mining jurisdiction, without question some of the world's biggest mining companies, not just based here, but operating world-class mines. So our focus is on using this platform, this dual listing here, to grow our presence in South Africa, to attract a much larger South African investor base, and to create more liquidity for the stock overall. So I'm excited by it. People got to remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. We've got to be patient here. South African investors, quite different in their approach from European investors. They clearly know the mining sector. They clearly know what a mining company is and what it's all about. And we're looking at building something here which I think is going to impact and affect all our stakeholders, all our shareholders here in South Africa. So, like I said, thanks to everybody at the team at Acacia Capital that worked with us to get this done. At A2 Markets as well in particular. Kevin and his team done a fantastic job, and had a great number of discussions with him today about the opportunities ahead, and we're going to be working on a number of initiatives to broaden the recognition of Marula mining here in South Africa and what we're trying to achieve. So a good day, and another very major announcement and activity for Marula here in this quarter, this second quarter of 2024, which I think is going to be a landmark one for the company in terms of revenue generation at our mines in South Africa, in Kenya, and pivotal to us as we move forward. Clearly there's going to be some other project additions coming in over the course of this quarter, and ones which will add very significant potential and opportunity for us here in South Africa. So look guys, thank you for your continued support. Look out for the continued updates. Let's see what happens here in the South African market. I'm very excited by it. Met a number of people from the financial press, investor base, that I believe are going to get right behind Marula and our story and our activities here. So, like I said, I'm very positive about South Africa. I think it's the place where we should most firmly be and look to grow our business, and one where I see plenty of opportunities in 2024. So thank you again, and I really appreciate the support. Cheers.